Looking for the best drum set in 2026? In this video, we review the top acoustic and electronic drum kits for beginners, intermediate players, and professionals. From powerful sound quality to realistic feel and advanced features, we cover the best options for every budget. Whether you're practicing at home or performing live, these drum sets deliver performance, durability, and value to elevate your drumming experience. Number 3. The Hampback -0 Malawian Quatches Electro Drum Set is a beginner-focused electronic kit designed to make learning drums easy, quiet, and enjoyable for kids and new players. It comes fully equipped with 4 7-inch dual-layer mesh drum pads and 3/8 rubber cymbals, along with a drum throne, sticks, headphones, pedals, and all essential accessories, offering a complete out-of-the-box experience. One of its strongest advantages is the quiet mesh pad design, which delivers a realistic rebound while keeping noise levels low, making it perfect for home practice. The kit includes 68 authentic drum sounds, 12 preset kits, and 10 demo songs, giving beginners plenty of variety to explore different styles and build rhythm skills. The compact and foldable rack system makes it easy to set up, store, or transport, whether for home use or casual outdoor practice. Another highlight is its power bank compatibility, allowing users to play anywhere without being restricted to wall outlets, great for portability and flexibility. User reviews consistently praise its easy assembly, solid build quality, and beginner-friendly design. The included headphones enhance the learning experience by allowing immersive, distraction-free practice, while the overall sound quality is described as impressive for the price. Overall, the -0 Malawian Quatches is a well-designed, affordable electronic drum set that offers great value, portability, and learning support for beginners and young drummers. Number 2. The Aroma TDX-18 Electronic Drum Set is a compact and budget-friendly kit designed specifically for beginners and young players. With a complete starter package, it includes 4 6-inch mesh drum pads, 3/8 rubber cymbals, a sturdy metal rack, drum module, throne, sticks, headphones, and all necessary cables, everything needed to start playing right away. The mesh drum heads provide a quieter and more responsive playing experience compared to traditional rubber pads, making it ideal for home use. Combined with 16 built-in drum sounds, the kit offers enough variety for beginners to explore different styles while developing their skills. The inclusion of 20 play-along songs and practice exercises adds an educational touch, helping new drummers improve timing and coordination. Its adjustable rack design allows players to customize height and angles for comfort, making it suitable for kids and teenagers. The compact size also makes it easy to store or move around small spaces. Bluetooth connectivity adds modern convenience, allowing users to play along with music from their devices. User feedback highlights its easy setup, quiet operation, and great value, especially for beginners. Some note that accessories like headphones may not be premium quality, but the overall package remains impressive for the price. Overall, the Aroma TDX-18 is a practical, entry-level electronic drum kit perfect for learning, practice, and fun at home. Number 1. The Donner DD70 Electro Drum Set is a beginner-friendly electronic kit designed to make learning drums fun, quiet, and accessible. With its 7-piece configuration, it includes 4 6.5-inch dual-layer mesh pads and 3/9 silicone cymbals, delivering a realistic rebound while keeping noise levels low, perfect for home practice. Equipped with 150 built-in sounds, 15 drum kits, and 10 demo songs, the DD70 allows young players to explore different music styles without feeling overwhelmed. It's especially ideal for beginners aged 6 to 14, offering a simple and intuitive setup that helps build foundational drumming skills. The included headphones enable silent practice, while USB MIDI support allows connection to apps, devices, or recording software. The kit's adjustable and compact rack design ensures a comfortable fit as players grow, and its lightweight, foldable frame makes storage easy. A unique advantage is its dual power option, supporting both a standard adapter and a USB power bank for portable use. Additionally, the included melodics lessons provide interactive learning with real-time feedback, helping beginners improve quickly. User reviews highlight its quiet operation, easy setup, and engaging features, making it a hit for kids and families. Overall, the Donner DD7E is an excellent entry-level electronic drum set that combines affordability, portability, and educational tools for aspiring drummers. Thanks for watching our Best Drum Sets Review 2026. If this video helped you find the perfect drum kit, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest music gear reviews. Drop a comment below with your favorite drum set or any questions. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more gear guides and keep the rhythm alive. See you in the next video.